Today's video, going to be replacing the clutch fan and the water pump on this Colorado. First thing we're going to do is drain the coolant. There's no drain petcock on these radiators, so you're going to go ahead and just take off the lower radiator hose and try to catch as much fluid as you can. Go ahead and take off the upper radiator hose. I got this fan clutch kit. You can probably rent this from your parts store. And the one that we're going to need is a 36mm. This is going to be your hold down tool, which you hold the pulley from spinning. Then you're going to get your 36 and loosen it. When you're taking out the clutch fan, you're going to put these two slots on these two bolts. And once you got it on the bolts, then you're going to get your 36 on it and unscrew it while you're holding the pulley. Here's your fan and your clutch fan. Put this off to the side for now. 3/8 ratchet on the tensioner's pulley. Pull it down. And there you go, the belt's off. 13mm for the pulley bolts. Now your pulley can come off. And here you have access to your water pump. 10mm. And we'll install our water pump. .89 inch-pounds. .13mm for the fan clutch. torque down the fan clutch. Now we can go put our top shroud on. Went ahead and put on the clip. Same thing on the passenger side. Both clips are in. Alright, install the lower radiator hose. I'm going to start the truck. Put the heat on high to bleed the heater core. And we'll just watch the temp. And then periodically I'm going to come over here just making sure that it's topped off. Make sure your reservoir is full. As you can see, we're getting heat out of the vents. So we know the heater core is bled. And we're holding temp right in the middle. And it's been about 20 minutes since I started the truck. Alright, drove it around town for about 10 miles or so. Got back home, let it idle for another 15 minutes. She's holding temp at 212. So we're good to go. That's how you change the water pump and the clutch fan. Hopefully the video helped y'all. Y'all have a good one.